the definitions of a constant, variables, term or algebraic expressions, degree of an algebraic expression, monomial expression, binomial expression, multinomial expression, and so on. So here, first of all, under these fundamental concepts, before going to the fundamental concepts, let's know about the what's algebra. Say here, this word called algebra is a branch. It is a branch of mathematics where arithmetic process is done by the letters small a, small b, small c, and p, q, r, and along with the numbers. So here it is the branch of mathematics. Where arithmetic process is done by using the letters along with the numbers. So here in this case I said by using the letters such as a comma b comma c or else p comma q comma r and so on, along with the numbers. There are of two types of symbols in this mathematics. One is by constants, the other is by variables. So here there are of two types of symbols in mathematics. Namely, one is constants, the other is variables. Variables are in other words called as literals. So here the two symbols in mathematics are, namely, one is the constants, the other is the variables, that is otherwise called as the literals. Now let's go for the definition. The first definition, that is constant. First constant. It is a symbol which has a fixed value, then it will be called as a constant. So first one is a constant, a symbol which has a fixed value is called a constant. For instance, -5, -10, or a fraction 5/3 or 5/7, or -10/3 or -10/7, these are all will come under the constants. So now here examples under this. 10 is a constant, -5 is also a constant number, and -2/3 is also a constant, then 15/17 is also a constant. So these are all the constants. These symbols are having a fixed value. So whereas in the first number, that is 10, it is a symbol having got a fixed value which is nothing but 10. So it will be come under, so it will come under the constant. The next one is of variable. A symbol which can be given values. So we can give the values for different values for this particular symbol. So it will be called as a variable. So it is not a fixed value. So here a symbol which can be given values or different values is called a variable. For instance, let us perform one of the example. Under this, area of a rectangle is given by means of area of rectangle denoted by the symbol A is the product of its length, that is L, and breadth denoted by B. Symbolically or mathematically, we can write it as area of a rectangle as A, that is equals to the product. So indicates into of its length is L and the breadth is B. So here A is equals to L into B. As L varies or L differs, or B varies or B differs or changes, as the L and B values changes, automatically the A value also will be changed. So here there is no fixed value of A as the L and B varies. So here therefore L, B and A are the variables. So for different values of L and B, we get the corresponding values. We get the corresponding values of A. That means, so here these are not fixed values, L, B and A are not fixed values. Hence, so here L, B and A are not the fixed values. Which are not fixed values, they are said to be called as the variables. So here hence L, B, A are the variables, or are called the variables. Then now the next one, that is the third one, is the algebraic expression. Here a collection of constants and literals connected by one or more than one the four fundamental operations is called an algebraic expression. So it is nothing but a collection of constants and variables connected by means of one or more of four fundamental operations. The four fundamental operations are of plus, minus, into and division symbols. Fundamental operations, say plus, minus, into and as well as division, is called an algebraic expression. So here let us take some few examples. That is example number 1 as 2x plus 3y minus 7. So here it is an algebraic expression, or else 2x square plus 3y square minus 7xy. Here there are of two variables and they are connected by means of the operations called plus and minus. This is of one of the example. Then second example is of 5x square minus 9xy plus 1 by 2y square. This also will come under the algebraic expression. There are of two variables x and y and they are connected. These terms are connected by means of the positive and negative symbols which are from the fundamental operation. Then now next one, that is the fourth one, term. The various parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus are called the terms. So here let us discuss about the terms. Whereas coming to the previous one, Say here in this regard, this expression, algebraic expression, is consisting 3 terms. The first term is of 2x square, the second term is of 3y square, third term is of 7xy. These 3 terms are separated by means of the symbols called plus or minus. So here these are the various parts, 3 various parts connected by means of plus and minus symbol will be called as the terms. Then now fourth one, terms. The various parts of an algebraic expression separated by either by plus sign or minus sign. Minus signs are called terms. So here in this regard, so here let us perform one of the example. So example, in this first example, 3x minus 7y. So here the number of terms are of 2. So this is an algebraic expression. So here in this algebraic expression, number of terms are of 2. So here first term and second term, first term is of 3x, the second term is of 7y. They are separated by means of the symbol called here minus sign. So second example, 5x square minus 7xy plus 2y square. Here first term is of 5x square and second term is of 7xy, the third term is of 2y square. So this is also of algebraic expression. So here number of terms are of 3. So here this is also of algebraic expression of 3 terms. They are separated by means of positive and negative symbols. Then now coming to the next point, that is the fifth one, degree of expression. Now here the highest power of the variable in an expression will be called. So here the highest power of the variable in an expression or in an algebraic expression is called the degree of the expression. Let us perform one of the example, that is